Good morning, distinguished guests, innovators, thought leaders, and visionaries from around the globe. Welcome to the fourth and final day of Deep Fest in LEAP 2024. I'm pleased to stand before you here today as we continue to navigate the transformative landscape of artificial intelligence. Together, we are not just witnesses, but active participants in shaping a future where technology and humanity converge for the greater good. Over the past 3 days, with more than 45 sessions held in this remarkable event, we have embarked in an intellectual journey, exploring the vast potentials and challenges of AI, and delved into discussions that spanned from groundbreaking innovations in machine learning to the ethical boundaries of AI development. Each conversation and debate has brought us closer to understanding the diversified nature of our digital future. Today, we pivot our focus toward a crucial subject, shaping the future of AI collaboration, ethics, and sustainability. Our agenda is rich with dialogues aimed at forging partnerships, setting ethical guidelines, and promoting sustainable practices in AI development. Through collaborative efforts, we can ensure that AI serves as a catalyst to positive change, respecting our planet and the diverse cultures it hosts. Moreover, we will be discussing today how Gen AI could revolutionize the workplace, how to embed ethics and human centricity in artificial intelligence, how to benefit from AI for climate change innovations, how to find a safer paths for an AI-driven future, and much more. The global landscape of artificial intelligence, particularly within the realm of Gen AI, is rapidly unfolding and growing. According to Statistia, the Gen AI market was valued as $45 billion in 2023 and is expected to hit an impressive $207 billion by the year 2030, potentially catalyzing a remarkable 7% increase in global GDP, according to Goldman Sachs. This trajectory underscores the transformative potential of AI. Gen AI's penetration into diverse sectors such as code generation, enterprise content management, marketing, and consumer experience applications foreshadows a shift in industrial operations and consumer engagement strategies. The huge investment in this technology clearly shows the widespread recognition of its potential. In the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the artificial intelligence landscape is witnessing a remarkable growth and strategic advancement. Referring back to data from Statistia, in 2023, Gen AI market in the kingdom surged to $220 million and is expected to maintain an impressive annual growth rate of 25%, poised to reach $1 billion by 2030. Saudi Arabia's strong dedication to AI excellence is evident through its noteworthy achievements in 2022, as it's ranked first in government strategy in the Tortious Global AI Index and achieved high rankings across the crucial dimensions within the Oxford AI Readiness Index. By embracing a comprehensive AI strategy focusing on developing skills, enhancing policies and regulations, promoting investment, and enabling research and innovation, Saudi Arabia is positioning itself as a frontrunner in the realm of data-driven economies. Our visionary agenda aiming at establishing the nation as an international hub for data and AI and to become an industry leader by 2030 manifests Saudi Arabia's unwavering commitment to fostering AI collaborations, ethical practices, and AI sustainable development. Moreover, In Saudi Arabia, under the insightful vision of our leadership, the strategic direction in AI is not just about harnessing new technologies, but about creating an ecosystem with ethical considerations, human centricity, and sustainability at its core. And we are undergoing huge transformative pioneering AI initiatives reflecting this. As we reach the last day of DeepFest, let us carry forward the insights and inspirations from these discussions and be the architects of an AI-driven, enhanced world where technology amplifies our human potential, respects our ethical boundaries, and champions transformation. Thank you for your commitment, your passion, and your belief in a future where AI and humanity thrive in harmony. Let us make this day not just a conclusion, but a source of hope and a call to action for everyone who believes in the transformative potentials of AI. Thank you very much.